Oh my god, this type of niche is absolutely exploding right now. Hollywood-style cinematic videos are going insanely viral. So today, I'm going to show you something powerful. I'll introduce you to a tool, TopView AI, that can generate a full-long video with just one click. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to YouTube. Let me show you some channels that are currently trending in this niche. Search for the channel Filmaya. As you can see, this channel is getting massive views. If we check their popular videos, 15 million, 8 million, 10 million views. And look at this, their Snap-style video reached 6.6 million views. This clearly shows that Hollywood-style dramatic content is trending heavily right now. Now let me show you another channel, Monster Sister. This channel is also performing extremely well. If we look at their popular videos, their top video has 21 million views, followed by 4.4 million, and many more videos in the millions and hundreds of thousands. So today, we are going to create the same type of Snap-style dramatic scenes, just like the ones I showed you earlier. I just gave you a quick overview so you understand how powerful this niche is right now. Now let's move to the prompts. I've already created a master prompt for you, which you'll find in the description. This is specifically designed for Hollywood-style video generation. I've also generated 10 complete scenes, including motion, effects, and everything you need. All you have to do is copy and paste. Yes, it's that simple. Just copy the master prompt, then go to ChatGPT, paste it there, and instantly, it will generate all 10 cinematic scenes for you. Let me show you. I'll copy it and paste it into a document. As you can see, I now have a complete Hollywood-style document with 10 fully created scenes ready to use, and I'll give you these scenes directly so you can generate them easily without any confusion. So now everything is ready. Let's move to the most important part of today's video, the tool, where you can generate a full, long video in just one click. Let's go. Okay, viewers, now you need to open the website, TopView AI. All right, viewers, you will find the link to this website in the description. Simply click from there. As you can see, viewers, here it says Generate, Edit, Collaborate, all in one place. That means you can generate videos, edit them, and even collaborate. Everything in one single platform. Today, viewers, I will show you how amazingly you can generate videos using this tool. If I explore AI tools, all tools, then in the image section you can see text-to-image, image edit, character swap, and many more tools available. Similarly, if we move towards video, you'll find image-to-video, text-to-video, video edit, and many more powerful video tools available here. In the same way, avatars and other tools like VoiceOver are also available here. This means this website is very good from every aspect. Now, if I again check what's new, you can see GPT Image, which is coming soon, not released yet, but it's listed as coming soon. And Seedance 2.0, Nano Banana 2, and many other trending tools and topics are already available here. This means this website is extremely powerful. Also, trending topics are already uploaded here, so you can generate viral-style videos directly from here. If we talk about viral hooks, influencer-style and marketing-type videos can also be easily generated here. But now, let's move to our main focus. Today, my main focus is Seedance 2.0, and they have released Video Agent V2, which is one of the best tools for video creation. It generates a 15-second video clip, and you can extend it into a long video as much as you want. So let's go. Let's start today's video. First, I go to my prompt section. I copy the prompt, simply copy, and paste it here. After pasting, I click on the Generate option. And as you can see, my first video has started generating. It shows around 10 to 11 minutes, meaning after that time it will give me the first scene ready. But this is not actually very long. It doesn't take too much time. Now let's see what results Seedance 2.0 V2 Agent gives us. After waiting for a little while, boom. Okay, viewers, my first video is now ready. And look at the result. Oh my god, this is amazing. In a dramatic way, a snake is entering, and in such a powerful, cinematic style, it has generated this video. Seedance 2.0 V2 Agent. This tool is absolutely amazing. Now let me show you something interesting. I copy the second prompt again, paste it, click on Generate. Now when I click Generate for the second prompt, you can see it extends the video by another 15 seconds. This means you can keep extending your video from this TopView AI website. You don't need any other software. Just keep adding prompts, keep generating, and your video will keep extending. At the end, you'll get an export option, from where you can export the full video, and your complete movie will be ready. All you have to do is upload it. That means there can hardly be a better tool than this. Now, viewers, after waiting a bit, you can see my second video is also ready. Oh my god, look at this scene. It's generated so beautifully, so dramatically. This clearly shows how powerful this tool is. Now I will upload prompts one by one. I copy the third prompt, paste it. Click Generate. My third prompt is about a helicopter scene. Again, you can see it will take around 10 minutes and it has started generating. After a short wait, oh my god, viewers. My third video is also ready, and this is also extremely dramatic, fully engaging, pure Hollywood style. Look at every movement, every detail. I am playing each video to show you how amazing Seedance 2.0 V2 Agent from TopView AI is. Okay, viewers, done. Our third video is complete. Now I copy the fourth prompt, paste it. Click Generate. You can see it has started generating again. You just need to wait a little. It shows 10 minutes, but actually it takes only 3 to 4 minutes. Now after a short wait, you can see and my fourth video is ready. Oh my god, look at the snake's dramatic face opening. It looks completely like a Hollywood scene. Now I copy the fifth prompt, paste it. Click Generate. Again, it has started generating. After a short wait, oh my god, viewers, this is next level. You can see how the snake is destroying buildings, just based on my prompts. And it is generating videos in a premium, cinematic way. Now what I'll do, I will upload the remaining prompts together. 8, 9, 10. You can actually generate multiple prompts at the same time. I showed you step by step just for understanding. But you can paste all prompts at once, and within minutes, all videos will be ready. As you can see, I've added 3 prompts together, and all 3 videos will generate simultaneously. After waiting a little, oh my god, viewers, all 3 videos are ready. Let me show you the final 3 scenes. And you can see, now they are trying to kill the snake because it has caused massive destruction. So now, almost all my videos are ready. And finally, you can see the snake has been defeated. This means all the generated videos are extremely amazing. TopView AI's Seedance 2.0 V2 Agent is an incredibly powerful tool. You can see, with just one process, I created a complete long video. Each clip is 15 seconds, and combined, they form a full movie. Now I go to Export. Click Start Export. After exporting, I'll show you the final result. From here, download the video. It will be saved to your PC. And now, here is the final look. Oh my god, this is an amazing video and an amazing tool, TopView AI. Now, viewers, if we talk about pricing, if you want to upgrade, Seedance 2 and Banana 2 Flash are available with up to 44% discount. There are only a few days and hours left, so don't miss it. You can choose monthly plans, Pro or Business, or if you want yearly plans, those are also available, and if you want Enterprise, you can contact them for custom solutions. Okay, viewers, this TopView AI platform is extremely powerful, and their new Seedance 2.0 Video Agent V2 is absolutely outstanding. I personally liked this tool a lot. If you liked it too, make sure to comment below. And if you found today's idea helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.